Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Hinge for Traulsen part number 28583. The hinge assembly for Traulsen part number 28583 is a replacement part for Traulsen refrigeration units. It is a two-piece assembly that includes the hinge and the pin. The hinge is made of stainless steel and is designed to provide a secure connection between the door and the cabinet frame. The pin is made of plastic and helps to keep the door in place when it is opened or closed. This part is essential for proper operation of your Traulsen refrigerator and should be replaced if it becomes damaged or worn out. This part fixes the following symptoms. The hinge assembly for Traulsen part number 28583 is used to replace worn or broken hinges on Traulsen refrigerators and freezers. It can fix symptoms such as doors not closing properly, doors not staying closed, and doors that are difficult to open or close. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the old hinge assembly from the refrigerator door. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws that secure the hinge to the door. 2. Place the new hinge assembly onto the refrigerator door and align it with the existing holes in the door. 3. Secure the new hinge assembly to the door using screws and a screwdriver. Make sure that all screws are tightened securely. 4. Once all screws are in place, close and open the refrigerator door several times to ensure that it is working properly and that there is no binding or sticking when opening. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.fps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.